because more specifically here, they're asking us for the value of a. So we want to show that f of a is 12 minus 2a. And if that's equal to 0, 12 minus 2a is equal to 0. So a is equal to 6. It's the same idea, but you want to make sure you put in the a. All right, b. This is a volume of rotation. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing right here, make lots of circles. We're going to make it rotate around this x-axis right here. And when it rotates, it's going to become some kind of circular shape.
Yeah.
And the circles at this bit are smaller circles, and over here they're bigger circles. And every single time, the radius of the circle is going to be the value of the function right here. So if this is xi, the height of this circle is f of xi. And we're going to keep on doing this over and over again. Now, the area of a circle is pi r squared. The radius here, every time, is going to be f of whatever the value of x is at that point.
Yeah.
And because we're going to add all the circles from 0 to a, which we found was 6, and we're going to sum them all together, right? Now, the height of each circle, the radius for every single circle, is the f of x. But since we're adding infinitely many circles from 0 to 6, I don't have to specify it, we're adding them all up. So it's pi r squared, infinitely many of them, between 0 and 6. So the pi I can pull out, because it's a constant. So I can rewrite it as from 0 to 6 of f of x squared dx. Now, f of x is this function right here, it's the square root. When I square any kind of square root, what's going to happen?
When we have any kind of square root,
Well, I square a square root, what happens to the square root?
it disappears.
It disappears.
Cancels.
So, it cancels, exactly. Now I just end up with 12 minus 2x, and that, you know how to integrate. The integral of 12 is 12x. And the integral of 2x is what?
The integral of 2x.
You should know this one.
X to the power of 2.
It's x squared.
Yeah.
Very good. Put a little stick there, from 0 to 6. And this is equal to f of b minus f of a, so this is equal to 12 times 6 minus 6 squared minus 12 times 0 minus 0, that's just 0, so we don't care.
Okay.
But keep in mind right here that we're not quite there, because what have I forgotten?
What you forgot?
Well, I've forgotten something. At this step, you see this thing. At this step, you see this pi. I'm adding circles, so I need to make sure I remember
The
here,
pi.
here, and here to multiply by pi, or I'm not getting circles. I'm not getting the rotation
Okay.
area. So this will be pi, and this is 72 minus 36. So your final result is 36 pi.
36.